Oh, this texture came out really nice. Oops. So I still have like 59 in powder. Do you guys want to start another combo today, or what are you thinking? Because I just want to get rid of my powder. You guys want to do another combo? You want to look at the stash and we can finish up the powder today? What do you guys think? We can do it in the sink though, because it's not a lot of powder. The total for the powder is 59, and it's 2 big bags of Blanca, a big bag of Roma, a big bag of Foca, and 4 bags of Wash Attack. Oh, and a little Roma. So like 8 bags. And then that's all my powder, and then of course I have liquids. We'll look at the stash because I'm not tired and it's so early still. I know, I'm getting close. That's what somebody said. Somebody said I'm getting close. That's what somebody said. They said I was getting close. I don't think I've hit it yet. I think I'm like almost there though. Maybe like 60 away or something. Maybe 100 away. Let me see. I'll tell you guys right now. I am... Yeah, I'm at 14.9, so probably like 100. I'm almost there. It does? Oh my gosh. Not yet though. Yeah, we are doing wintergreen rinse for this. So Kristen, if you're still here, come back, babe. Come back in a little bit, because Kristen hates it. Oh, I have jugs back here. What am I doing? This is jugs. Dang. For both Romas would be 11. 11 for both Romas. I was gonna go try to scoop it. I'm like, wait, there's like a million bottles in the way. I gotta get some of these jugs out of the way. So I don't know how good the view is gonna be. Probably not good at all, but let me rinse some of these jugs. No, I don't, I give them away. So if you want a jug, I'm in Central Florida by Orlando. You wanna meet in Orlando, we can, and I'll give you jugs. But if not, no, I don't sell this. It's empty. I need it. I gotta rinse bottles, guys, in just a second. I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm rinsing them off. Just getting the detergent on so I can throw them on the ground and get them out of the way. I'm running out of room. I'm waiting to spend this. Damn it. I'll redip them. Don't worry, I'll redip them in just a second. No big deal, no big deal. We'll redip. Is it clean at the bottom? No, it's not. That burned. Oh, that burn. Oh, I have a little burn, that's why. I'm almost done. That's the only thing I hate about toast, is because I'm so short, my arms rub against the sides. Alright, I'm almost done. 2 seconds. Did we decide if we wanted to do another combo or no? Was that decided on? Oh, no! Ew! Gross. I'm gonna re-dip these, don't worry, before we use them. Set for the 2 Romas. Thank you, Beth. Okay, Beth. So Beth started us off. I'll show you guys the stash. We're still gonna do the wintergreen rinse. I didn't see it. Sorry. I'm just rinsing the bottles. Less mess when you put them away.